I'd like to introduce the portable car refrigerator. It's time to take this convenience on the go. This is the perfect use in your car for when you go camping, traveling, fishing, or any outdoor activities. In just 15 minutes, it can go from 77 degrees down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. All you have to do is plug it into a wall outlet or into your car cigarette lighter. This thing is the normal size of any average cooler. It has built-in handles for convenience and it's super quiet. If you have a little one like me and you have to carry around refrigerated products, this is absolutely perfect for these types of moments. No more need to keep stopping at the store and buying ice to keep the cooler cool. This will take care of it for you.